At this time, it is my honor to present to you, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Brendan and Mindy Whitefield.
Mindy, welcome to our family officially.
I can see why you and Brendan are here today.
From the moment you entered Brendan's life, you brought a new light and happiness that we've all shared.
Neither of you could have met a better match for each other.
Mindy, I have never been more certain of a decision than wanting to spend the rest of my life with you. The last 4 years of my life have never been better. You give meaning to my life, and I know from the moment I swiped right I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to thank you for making me the man I am today. I can honestly say you have changed me for the better. You have made me look into the future like no one else has. I can see us spending the rest of our life together and creating deep memories with our family that will last through eternity. None of this would have happened without you. Oh, beautiful baby.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Love you.
Our day is finally here, the day we officially become one as husband and wife. For starters, I cannot wait to take your last name.
I know I'm not supposed to say it. I know I will later, but I do. I love you, and there is nothing that will ever change that.
We have come together today to witness and celebrate Mindy and Brendan and to bless them as they make promises to each other.
Becoming your wife is my greatest joy and by far my proudest title. It is so hard to put into words how much I love you and the care I have for you.
I promise to stand by your side, offering unwavering support in everything and fill your days with warmth and light. I promise to be your solace and inspiration during difficult times.
I promise to first love you every single day and more than I did the day before. We will undoubtedly have hard days and time periods, but my love for you will never fade.
It is with great pleasure that I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Unstoppable.